Hey guys, my name is Emil and you are watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to enable dark mode on Windows 10. It's a very simple thing to do, and make sure you have activated Windows 10 before doing this. Okay, if not it will not work for you. Okay, so you're going to go right click on a blank place on your screen, and then you're going to click on personalize. Okay, click on that and then go down to colors here, and you can see it says choose your color. Okay, you're going to click on this and click on dark. Okay, it takes a while and then everything changes dark, and that's about it guys. So you just go back. You can see here when I right click it's all dark, when I click this it's dark, and if I open a folder it's dark. So you can see you have basically enabled dark mode on Windows 10. So that's about it guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put that down in the comments below, and that's about it for me. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.